Namaskar friends, I am Dr. Dilbag Singh from Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, Central University of Haryana, and today in this lecture we will discuss about the housekeeping services as a new normal of career options, part 2. In our last video, we discussed about the job options in facility management companies, and these were as a attendant, supervisor, project executive, project manager, general manager, marketing persons, and of course training managers. So today we will start from training managers. In facilities management companies which deals in housekeeping, there is a huge requirement of trained professional who can deal as a training manager for all kind of operations conducted under the umbrella of facility management companies in the field of housekeeping. So in short we can say that apart from all other options, one can start their career as a training manager also. Attributes of a housekeeping personnel. So the next question is that what are the different attributes which a particular person should have who is planning to start his career in the facility management companies, especially in the field of housekeeping. And these attributes are eagerness to learn. Of course, housekeeping facility management companies do serve in a number of areas, like it may be in hotels, in shopping complexes, in warehouses, in hospitals, and many more. So there is a number of work in all these above mentioned areas where they do their work. So there are a number of things to learn in all these areas. Next one is eye for detail. That is the key attribute for a housekeeping personnel. A person who want to start his career in housekeeping, he should have the eye for detail. It means that he should know about the basic concepts of housekeeping, and whenever he used to visit a particular site, each and everything should be on his tips so that he can perform his duty in a more appropriate kind of way. The next attribute we are going to discuss about the sophisticated communication skill. As a graduate of hotel management, there is a huge need of attractive and impressive, or you can say the sophisticated kind of communication skill, because in a number of areas where you are going to work, you need to discuss about various things to your clients as well your guests. So a sophisticated kind of communication skill is very much required in the field of facility management companies. Knowledge about various housekeeping operations. As we have already discussed, in facility management companies, we do have a number of housekeeping operations. It may be ranging from the cleaning of rooms, the cleaning of public areas, polishing of various surfaces, pest controls, office cleaning, and so on. So for the performing of all these kind of operations, what we need the knowledge about the various housekeeping operations, like what exactly is the need in a particular area, means which kind of operations are needed when they are performing their duties in different areas. One more attribute we are adding here is leadership. In most of the facility management companies, you need to work as a team. So when you are working as a team, the most needed quality is your leadership skill. So we can say that in the facility management companies, as an attribute, leadership should also be there. If a particular person is having all these kind of attributes, he can definitely do the wonders in the field of facility management companies. And after the completion of the part second, I can conclude that not only nowadays housekeeping department really have a great potential for not only the hotels, but they can also perform their duties in hospitals, shopping complexes, warehouses, and many more. So, if a particular person is planning to start their career in the field of housekeeping, and especially in the field of facility management companies, they can start with a more enthusiasm so that they can perform their duty in a positive way, and definitely the facility management companies will pay you back in terms of a good amount of salary, as well quick promotions and more job options throughout the country. So with all this, I would like to thanks all of you for being with us.